Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner Review. Is it worth buying? If you're tired of stubborn carpet stains, muddy paw prints, or pet accidents ruining your floors, today's review might be exactly what you're looking for. Meet the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner, FH68050, a powerful upright carpet shampooer designed to tackle deep-set dirt and tough pet messes. If you'd like to check the latest price or learn more, you'll find the product link in the description and pinned comment below. Overview. The Hoover PowerScrub XL combines 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes with powerful suction to loosen, lift, and remove dirt from deep within your carpet fibers. Unlike basic carpet cleaners that only clean the surface, this machine is built for a more thorough, deep clean. One standout feature is HeatForce technology, which helps carpets dry faster after cleaning, so you're not waiting all day before walking on them again. Performance. For pet owners, this cleaner really shines. It includes Hoover's Oxy Pet Cleaning Solution, specially formulated to remove stubborn pet stains and odors. The combination of strong scrubbing action and powerful suction leaves carpets looking refreshed and feeling cleaner. Another convenient feature is Auto Mix, which automatically measures and dispenses the correct amount of cleaning solution. That means no guesswork and no wasted detergent. Versatility. Cleaning doesn't stop at your carpets. The package includes a pet tool, an upholstery tool, an 8-foot hose, a storage bag, and a nozzle cleanout tool, making it easy to clean stairs, sofas, car interiors, pet beds, and other fabric surfaces around your home. The TruMax recovery tank also lets you clean larger areas before stopping to empty the dirty water tank, making your cleaning sessions more efficient. Need a quick refresh? Simply switch to Quick Clean mode for faster cleaning and quicker drying in smaller spaces. Pros and cons.
Pros.
Excellent deep cleaning performance. Great for homes with pets. 5 spin scrub brushes for better stain removal. Faster drying with HeatForce technology. Auto Mix simplifies operation. Includes useful attachments for upholstery and stairs. Large recovery tank reduces interruptions.
Cons.
At around 12.2 kilograms, it's a bit heavy compared to some compact models. It performs best when used with Hoover's recommended cleaning solutions. Conclusion. Overall, the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner is an excellent investment for homeowners who want professional quality carpet cleaning without hiring a service. Its powerful cleaning performance, pet-friendly features, and versatile attachments make it a great choice for keeping your home fresh and spotless. If you're interested in picking one up, be sure to check the product link in the description and the pinned comment for the latest price and availability. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.